how to cancel follow request sent on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel follow request sent on TikTok. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just search for the person to which you have sent the follow request to. Now here, let's say if you have sent the follow request to this person, then what you can do is just go to their profile, and there you can just tap on that person icon, and after that on the pop-up menu you'll see cancel follow request or unfollow button. So simply tap on it, and once you do that, you'll be able to cancel follow request on TikTok. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.